CBD is everywhere.
CBD oil.
CBD.
CBD.
Sprouting up everywhere and in everything.
The CBD industry generated hundreds of millions of dollars in sales in 2018, and according to Forbes, Rolling Stone, Statista, and every credible source you will find online, the CBD industry is projected to reach at least $22 billion in the next 2 to 3 years, making it one of the greatest wealth transfers that we have ever seen in our lives. And I have great news for you, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to profit off this CBD movement by simply partnering with one of the fastest growing CBD companies in the world.
Hi, my name's Jana, and I've earned $7,000 selling CBD with our company.
Hey guys, what's up? My name's Chris. I just want to let you know I've made 20 grand selling CBD with our company.
My name is Ted. I've made over $50,000 selling CBD with our company.
Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've made over $100,000 selling CBD with our company.
Hi, this is Carlos, and I've made over $32,000 selling CBD with my company.
Hi, I'm Wayne, and I've earned $16,546 selling CBD with our company.
Hi, my name is Leonaline, and I made $5,000 selling CBD in this company.
Hi, this is Ariel. Because of our company and selling CBD, I've made $4,000 and I have money in the bank.
Hi, my name is Aaron, and I've made over $300,000 selling CBD with our company.
This is Rod, and I made over $56,000 with my CBD company.
My name's Aaron, and I've made over $13,000 selling CBD with our company.
The CBD industry is growing so fast that even Dr. Oz had it featured on his show and called it the CBD oil boom. He also had a great review of CBD products on the show.
First of all, I think that there's a legitimate medicine in here. I think we're talking about something that could actually really help people.
Go ahead and Google CBD benefits to learn why CBD is taking over the world right now in terms of food and drink companies infusing CBD into their products. Even celebrities with their name and brand on the line like Morgan Freeman, Jennifer Aniston, Whoopi Goldberg, and hundreds of others are talking about the benefits of CBD in front of their audience of millions now. So if earning a great part-time to full-time income with our CBD business would be of value to you, then all you need to do is type "send me info" in the comments below this video, and the smart entrepreneur who posted this video will get back to you as soon as they can and reveal which CBD company that we became affiliated with that could elevate your financial situation fast. Hi there, my name is Vincent Ortega, and I became affiliated with our CBD company last month and earned $18,213.86 in my first month of recommending our CBD products to others. And the reason I was able to earn $18,000 so fast was simply because I marketed online and put videos like the one you are watching right now in front of a lot of people fast. So I get it. You're probably saying, yeah, Vince, I see your success. Yeah, that's great for you. But what about other people like me who haven't been marketing and selling products for years like you online? So what did I do? I created this CBD marketing video for you to share with others on your social media for your own financial gain, because you aren't reaching back out to me. You are typing "send me info" in the comments below of the smart entrepreneur who posted this video on their social media to get more information about our CBD company. I have been blessed to generate millions of dollars in sales of products online over the past decade through my marketing videos, and have created thousands of success stories of people just like you by simply sharing my marketing videos just like the one you are watching right now with others. If you don't think that you have anyone to share it with, I got you covered as well, because you'll just simply open up my social media marketing vault of my secret strategies, and I'll give them to you for completely free when you join us, and simply type "send me info" in the comments below of the smart entrepreneur who posted this video on their social media. So I just wanted to make sure that you knew that not only are you going to get a free tour of our CBD business, I'm also going to give you access to my marketing secrets that have generated me millions of dollars in online sales. So once again, if earning a great part-time to full-time income with our CBD business will be of value to you, then all you need to do is type "send me info" in the comments below, and the smart entrepreneur who posted this video will get back to you as soon as they can and reveal which CBD company that we became affiliated with that could elevate your financial situation fast. The results of our team members are so exciting, but I gotta make sure that I give you the FTC income disclaimer for your protection. I just want to let you know that there are no guarantees regarding income when you become an affiliate with our company. The success or failure of each affiliate, like in any other business, depends upon each affiliate's skill set and personal effort. Earning levels for independent affiliates are examples and should not be construed as typical or average. Income level achievements are dependent upon the individual affiliate's business skills, personal ambition, time, commitment, activity, and demographic factors.
Hey, my name is Lily, and I have made over $11,500 selling CBD with our company.
Hi, my name is Shannon Hamilton, and I've earned over $6,000 selling CBD in this company.
Hi, my name is Allison, and I have made over $53,000 selling CBD with our company.
My name is Jason. I've made $10,000 selling CBD with our company.
Hello, my name is Nora, and I've earned $2,200 selling CBD with our company.
Hey guys, this is Sherry Beth. I want you to know I've already made $10,000 with our CBD company.
Hi, my name is Becky, and I've made $3,000 selling CBD with our company.
Hello, my name is Wayne, and I have made $8,100 selling CBD with our company.
Hey guys, my name is Aaron, and I made over $7,000 selling CBD with our company.
Hi, my name is Kai, and I made $1,000 for selling CBD in our company.
My name is James, and I earned $1,041 in our CBD company.
Hello, my name is Brian. I made over $6,500 selling CBD oil with our company. My name is Jason. I've made over $13,000 selling CBD with our company.
This is Jay, and I want to tell you, so far, I've made $17,000 selling CBD with this company.
Hi, I'm Gigi, and I made just under $1,000 selling CBD oil with our company.
Hi, my name is Janice, and I've made $500 my first 3 weeks selling CBD oil with our company.
So once again, if earning a great part-time to full-time income with our CBD business will be of value to you, then all you need to do is type "send me info" in the comments below, and the smart entrepreneur who posted this video will get back to you as soon as they can and reveal which CBD company that we became affiliated with that could elevate your financial situation fast.
That daddy right there? That baby girl? That Kiki?